Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on the time period of a simple pendulum suspended inside a liquid. The question is as follows. A simple pendulum oscillating in air has time period t. Then the bob of the pendulum is completely immersed in a non-viscous liquid. The density of the liquid is 1/16th of the density of the material of the bob. If the bob is completely immersed in the liquid during its oscillations, then its time period will be. The options are 4t by root 15, 2t by root 10, 4t by root 14 and 2t by root 14. Now for the answer. When a simple pendulum is suspended in air, its time period of oscillations is given by t is equal to 2 pi root over L by g, where L is the length of the pendulum and g is the acceleration due to gravity. When the bob is suspended inside a liquid, the effective acceleration due to gravity changes from g to g dash. Due to this, its time period changes from t to t dash, given by t dash is equal to 2 pi root over L by g dash. Now we will find the value of g dash as follows. If the density of the bob is equal to rho, then its weight is given by W is equal to mg, which is equal to V rho g, where V is the volume of the bob. When the bob is inside a liquid of density sigma, the force of buoyancy is given by U is equal to V sigma g. Therefore, apparent weight of the bob inside the liquid is given by W dash is equal to mg dash, which is equal to V rho g minus V sigma g. From equations 3 and 4, we get W dash by W is equal to G dash by G, which is equal to V rho g minus V sigma g by V rho g, which implies G dash by G is equal to 1 minus sigma by rho. It is given that sigma is equal to rho by 16, which implies sigma by rho is equal to 1 by 16, which gives G dash by G is equal to 15 by 16. Again, from equations 1 and 2, we get T dash by T is equal to root over G by G dash, which is equal to root over 16 by 15, which is equal to 4 by root 15, which gives T dash is equal to 4t by root 15, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is A. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.